What is up, Bounty Hunter Squad? Today we got a mukbang coming right at you. Today we have a homemade burger with some seasoned fries. And yeah, they're the frozen ones. Before y'all go in the comments and start yapping. But anyways, let's get started. So, I don't even know where to start. But anyways, my burger has ketchup, cheese, a slice of sandwich meat. I think it's like ham, so it's really a hamburger. And cheese and mayo at the bottom. So let's get started. Oh yeah, these are good. I know some of y'all are gonna go in the comments and say, "Oh, that's unhealthy. Look at him. No wonder why you're so big." Just stop, bro. Come on. I'm gonna do more mukbangs. See, this is what we looking like. Oh my god, this looks hella good, guys. Take a bite of that. Bismillah. Mmm. By the way, guys, my dad made this. Okay, so the burger's good, but I feel like he made the patty a little too thick. Because he took his own ground beef and he made it into a ball, but he should have smashed it down a little more because it is a little thick. And it does look dry, but hey, it's alright. It's still good though. I mean, it's not that dry. I mean, it's juicy. The sauce definitely helps it balance. Mmm. Guys can't really see me. Let me fix this. There we go. So I will bring back the GTA content very soon, guys. I'm just focused on like regular YouTube content and on different topics and stuff like that. But this is really good, like seasoning wise. Like, this is seasoned to perfection. I'm surprised. Alright. And guys, let me know if I should do more cooking videos. Because a couple of videos ago, I showed you guys how to make a simple sandwich. So if you're on a budget, or if you're like at college and that's like the only things you have on hand, that's like the perfect way to make it, and with it still being tasting good. Mmm. These fries are still hot, actually. Almost burn me. These are really good, though. Oh, that's hot. I'm low-key getting full, guys. I'm actually getting full. I bet the haters are not gonna believe me, and I bet y'all are gonna think I'm lying, but I'm actually getting full. This is a big ass burger. I don't know, I feel like this is starting to like gross me out. It's like so much ground beef. Let's take another bite. Oh, shoot. There's more ground beef inside of it. Then there's 2 burger patties in here. I don't know. But it has mayo and ketchup and sandwich meat. Oh, what the heck? I didn't even realize it. There's like little pieces of bacon bits infused in the burger. I'm not gonna eat this. No, that one that kind of tastes a little funny. Just the regular ground beef tastes really good. I'll probably feed this to my dog. He'll like it. You know, I think you put like 2 different meats in here, but I like this better for some reason. Really good though. Got some fries left right here. Like I said, I can probably feed this to my dog. I don't like that part. Because like the ground beef is like so thick. So yeah, guys, let me know if you guys want me to do like another mukbang. I have more cooking vids, but yeah, I will get back to the bounty hunter content very soon. And if you guys want me to do another mukbang, let me know. And let me know like what you want me to eat. These fries are really crispy. Let me see if y'all can listen to this. Yeah, I probably can't hear that, but oh, this is a really crispy one. Alright, let's see if we'll get a good crunch out of this. So. Last fries. Very soft on the inside. And nice crunchy texture on the outside, which I like. Next time I'm gonna have dipping sauce for that. That's pretty much it, guys, besides this. So yeah, that is the end of my mukbang. I finished. So if you guys like it, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe with post notifications, and my Instagram is on the screen right now. Go follow me. We are on the road to 30K on there, because I post tons of cool content on there. So that's why you should really go check it out. And YouTube and Instagram is my only socials. So I'm just letting you guys know, just in case someone tries to like impersonate me on TikTok or something like that. But anyway, guys, this is gonna be the end for today's video. And have a good day. Peace out.